OKR Best Practices. When working with OKRs in Rally, there are a few best practices that you should follow. Some of these have been covered in previous OKRs videos, so here is a quick summary of things to keep in mind when working with OKRs. Objectives should be qualitative. When creating an objective, remember that it should be summed up in a qualitative statement.
For example, increase customer engagement.
Objectives are also meant to be transparent across the organization, which is why they are viewable by all users in the workspace. Key results should be quantitative. When creating a key result, make sure that it is measurable.
For example, if my objective is to increase customer engagement, one of the key results may be to increase user ratings to 4.5 stars by the end of the quarter.
You should use 2 to 5 key results per objective. Check-ins do not need to be more frequent than weekly for quarterly objectives and monthly for yearly objectives. Now, let's take a more in-depth look at some more best practices to implement when creating OKRs. As we previously mentioned, objectives are visible to everyone in the organization. Associating certain objectives with one or more teams will help with organizing objectives. These shared objectives are important as they encourage collaboration and help bridge silos between teams.
This objective has multiple projects assigned in the Projects field and also has work from different teams assigned to it in the Associated Work tab.
Once objectives are assigned to a project, members of those projects can create a saved view to filter on only the objectives that they care about. In this example, the objective is assigned to the mobile team, so each member of the team knows that they must contribute to the work needed to accomplish the objective. When associating work with an objective, the work associated with the objective should be aligned with the objective and not the key result. This is because we believe that OKRs are a single unit with two tightly related parts, and it is best to maintain a strong connection between these parts. The objective is a significant, concrete, clearly defined goal, and the key result is a measurable success criteria used to track the achievement of that goal. The choice to align work with the objective over the key result provides flexibility for you and your team while asserting reasonable and necessary guardrails that are critical for large enterprises. The next thing to remember is that objectives should be aligned from level to level, not cascaded or arranged in a hierarchy. Here you can see that each level of this objective is in alignment with the next level. This is different from other parent-child relationships that you will see in other areas of Rally, but it is an important distinction to make when working with OKRs. OKRs drive team focus, and aligning them level to level ensures that each team can focus on their objectives while fulfilling the larger organizational goals. Congratulations! Now you know some best practices to follow when working with OKRs in Rally.